This is literally like 20 minutes later. I'm not gonna end the video yet. I'm gonna drive 2 hours to go pick up an exhaust right now. Brand new eBay exhaust. Kind of iffy, but it's only 150 bucks, so we'll see how it goes. And then if it doesn't work out, bam, scrap it, boom. Chump change right there. I wanted to get a little kitty nap in. Try to get like an hour sleep, but nah, I guess not. I'm working on like 3 hours of sleep right now in the last 2 days. But it's all good. It's all good. Everything for the Z. So we're starting to get some cash real quick. Hopefully they can break 100. Z boys. We got the exhaust. We were sitting here for like 10 minutes trying to get that shit in there. It's pretty funny. Freaking Washington got some. I think we're gonna go cruise by the beach, hit the coast real quick. Yeah. I'm gonna try to find some wheels out here actually. We're out here trying to find the beach. Yeah, we're trying to find the beach, you know. Chilling, killing.
Like a villain.
I'm pretty sure we're heading down the right path. Honestly, I don't know though. I really don't know. We're kind of off-roading. We made it. There's the beach. It's not California, but it'll do. Oof. Yeah, we're basically just walking out here. Let's go check it out real quick. And then I'm guarantee some freaking wealthy old men are gonna come out here yelling at us, but I really don't care. I mean, she don't look as good as the Z, but it's a good view right here. That's a wrap for the video. So I'm about to put this exhaust on, and I don't have jack stands, so that's gonna be sketchy stuff, like always.
Like this.
So we don't have jack stands, so we're trying to kick this fucking tire underneath this. It's pretty funny actually.
I guess that's something I should have asked.
Keep going. And then we got the exhaust. And we're in a parking lot. So cool. Yep, bad news. But whatever, we gonna get this. We gonna get this out somehow. Alright, so we don't have enough leverage on this side. Wait, hold up. Alright, go ahead. We don't have enough leverage on this side, so he's getting underneath that side to push it this way. No, go lower on the ratchet. There you go. Right there. There you go. This is what happened. Like, this is the biggest tweaker thing ever. I grabbed my breaker bar and put this big ass 32mm socket like this, and I pulled up on it like that, and somehow I broke it loose. It was pretty cool. It's the next day, super tired, and I snapped the bolts to my exhaust, so I got some new freaking bolts and nuts, so we're gonna do that right now. She's on though. She's on. Doing ghetto shit again. We're about to just drive up on these tires. It'll work though. It'll work. Perfect. Is there more room now?
Yeah, it actually feels like there's a little more space.
Good shit. I really don't know why you can't use the flashlight while you're recording, but there's a little stud right here. There was one right there. The one I said snapped. Well, that one was actually stripped, but the other side snapped. And I was just banging on it and it came out. So it has these little splines on the end of it. And I knocked it out. So that's good stuff. I just gotta get out the other one now. And we should be good after that. Easy money. We ended up having to fully move the car so we can cut this bolt off because it's stuck in between the cat and like a flange. So we're just cutting it off. And then after that, it's Gucci. We don't have jack stands, but we have like a few fucking jacks under there and a tire. So, I mean, that's not really gonna help, but we're just gonna send it. Oh, you can't see over there, but we got a cop over here asking about the car. You know, he said he loves the Z. That's just kid. He's talking shit. Alright, so everything's done. And this is so low, so we had to put a little jack in there so this jack could actually fit. But alright, yeah. This is it. Like, I'm gonna start it right now. if it's loud and obnoxious, I'm literally selling the car. Just like the Integra. I'm so nervous.
Get it.
Should I do it?
Get it.
It sounds good. It sounds
hot.
really good. Probably it's not gonna pick up the decibels on the phone. I don't know, maybe there's like a setting for that or something actually. But it sounds really good. I love it. Alright, good shit. I'll get a little rev session when it warms up, because it hasn't ran for like 2 days. I haven't even heard it yet. I promise you guys. I literally haven't gone over like 750 RPM. So, you're experiencing this with me. Every time. Also, I have a street bike jacket on and I look like a freaking homo. Alright. Alright, here we go. Here we go, I'm nervous. Okay, that sounds really freaking good. It's not loud, but it's like, it has that, dude, okay. That's enough. That's enough. Alright, we're gonna go get some food. And then that's it. That's it. I'm gonna keep making videos. Alright. Mobbing. We're gonna go get some wheels real quick. There's some bent ass wheels, broken and shit, old. But we're gonna clean them up. I'll show you when I get them. We're taking Baker's Whip though, because I got a flat tire and I put on a donut and the donut's flat too, so it's pretty funny. Like Baker don't give a fuck about our lives. He'll be talking and shit on the phone, texting, doing his makeup and shit. Ooh, there she is. There's a freaking it's a donut, man.
Real
Damn.
life, bro.
Oh, and it's so ugly, man.
Hey, bro, but I'm gonna hit you up on later on, bro. Yes, sir. Stay up, bro.
Yo, I'm walking here.
Like when I don't expect it.
There they are. They're 19s. It's pretty damn big. I didn't want them that big, but whatever. We'll go with it. And they're dirty, rusted. They got like a flat spot in here, but we can just heat that up and bang it out. It'll be fine. I paid, literally paid $100 for these. So if it's a loss, then whatever. It's all good. It'll work. So the biggest task of the day is getting these in there. We'll see what happens. This is where we're at right now. We got one in here, then one underneath here, and we're struggling. We're struggling right now. I don't know. We'll see. We got all three in.
These niggas got on fucking Black Pyramid outfits.
We got one more left. So Baker's gonna hop in, and then we're gonna see if we can put it on him too. I don't know. We'll see. Hey, we got it. We got it. All the wheels are in. We're chilling.
Oh, that's the Z, bro. I'm telling you, the Z.
The Z Life is a struggle. I'm telling you right now.
Dude, the
But
Z,
we're fucking hitting it.
The Z can make it fucking shit. Make you something, bro.
This will get us. This gets us places. It does. The Z Life, it's worth it. I'm telling you guys right now, it's
Who
worth
told
it.
you the Z?
Here she is.
I love those lights.
What lights? Oh yeah, the blue ones? Or purple? I don't even know. I'm colorblind. Anyways, yeah. So this has a lot of room.
Fuck that shit.
So we gotta get some spacers on. We gotta roll these fenders. We gotta get coils. But anyways, it looks clean. It looks really good. I gotta clean them up, obviously. They're rusted. So yeah, good $100 worth. Oh yeah, I was gonna mention these lug nuts. I can't fit the tire iron in there, so I gotta go get new ones right now. I'm going to AutoZone. Yeah, so what we're doing now is polishing the lips. Why isn't it focusing? There we go. Polishing them with I don't even know, rust resolver, and we're not polishing with rust resolver. We're trying to get the rust off with it. And I got some polish right there. So yeah.
This guy's all guys, bro. It's the middle of the night, fucking 9 o'clock, and he's scrubbing fucking rims.
And we gotta be up at 4 in the morning. So whatever. This is how we're looking right now. That shit looks so good. But that dent, or that little fucking flat spot, I just drove it around and made sure it was an actual flat spot, and it's not. So I just gotta heat it up and flatten it out, and it'll be good. Yeah, that's how she looks. Keep it sideways though.
Keep it sideways.
Oh, yeah. Put my car on.
We out here getting an oil change done. We got the stuff, we got the Z's. It's not on my car, we're doing it on Baker's car. We need to get this shit done. We out here working. Got a 4-day weekend.
Wheels, though.
Or one wheel. We got the
I only
big
got
ass
one.
fucking dent or whatever. Whatever, we're
Gucci,
Gucci.
you got some white lights.
Yeah. Take it at night. Better.
Okay, they're rusted as hell. But I got this stuff. Just so I can clean these better, I brought them in my room. And that was a mish. Had to come up a couple flight of stairs. I'm cleaning them in my shower. Shit. I haven't touched this one. This one's actually not as bad, but the other ones were terrible. And I'm just, where's the, hold on. I'm using this, and I'm applying it with this little brush, and it's not hard at all. It's been about, seriously, 10 minutes, and look how clean the dishes are already. It's insane how much this stuff actually works. These things look like crap. Like terrible. Like, let me show you this one. Terrible. This one I applied that stuff to and scrubbed it. I just haven't washed it off, but that's all the rust that's like picking off of it. So that just shows you how bad it was. Whatever, we got it. Like, look at that. Crazy. I've been scrubbing it for like the last 2 hours, honestly. This one was rough, but still couldn't get all the rust out of here and here. I took a toothbrush, I took a, I don't even know what it's called, but I took a bunch of different things to it and I couldn't get it, so I'm gonna have to get a steel wool or something and see what happens. But this one looks fire. Like, that one's perfect. And this one just needs some work. I don't know the last thing I filmed, but we went to go take Baker's Whip to get tinted. 30% tint, legal. Looks pretty good though. They tinted the front, the windshield. That's wrong, right? That's completely illegal, but he says it's legal,
not
so whatever.
legal.
Whatever. I'm probably just gonna upload this video. So let me know if I should get a bash bar up front. Because I hate this bumper, it's ugly. Let me know. Yeah, I'm trying to get some spacers in the back too. And then I've been asking some guy about some coils. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what's up.
Ain't no damn mistake. So tell me why we wait.